How to fix Instagram not linking on your TikTok profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix if you are having problem to link your Instagram account with TikTok account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, make sure that both of your TikTok and Instagram application is up to date. So to check for the updates, you have to open up Play Store in your device, and in the search bar, first of all search for TikTok and make sure the application is up to date. If that is up to date, now search for Instagram and make sure this application is up to date as well. If the update is available, make sure to install all of the available updates. Once you have done that, go back and try to link your profile again. If that still does not help you, then clear the cache and restart the application. Navigate to the TikTok application in the mobile device, tap and hold on it, and here tap on App Info. Under App Info, scroll down a bit, tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, restart your application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, you have to do the same for Instagram as well. Clear the cache for the Instagram application following the same process. And if this still does not help you, unlink and relink Instagram from TikTok, so you have to try that again. So to link your Instagram account properly, now navigate or open up TikTok application in the mobile device. If you're on your home page now, you have to head over to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile there is an edit profile button. Tap on it. Here tap on links, and if you have already added your Instagram, tap on Instagram and then remove the link. Once you have removed the link, again try to link your account. So tap on Instagram, then you'll be taken into the login page of Instagram. Make sure to log in using your correct username and password, then tap on login. After that, tap on allow if the TikTok requests your access. Here, if you're already logged into a different Instagram account in your browser, so TikTok may try to link that one. So make sure to log out of all the Instagram account in your browser first and then link your account. And if this still does not help you, reinstall the TikTok application. Uninstall the TikTok application, reinstall it back, log in using your login credentials, and that's gonna help you solve your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.